Catharina Hoeve is a charming farmhouse located in eastern Netherlands, specifically in the province of Gelderland. It is a popular tourist destination and a working dairy farm that gives visitors a glimpse into the traditional Dutch way of life. The farmhouse itself dates back to the 18th century, adding a touch of history and character to the surroundings. Visitors can explore its well-preserved interior, admiring the authentic clogs or wooden shoes, antique furniture, and rustic charm that pervades every corner. Catharina Hoeve is known for its cheese-making process, which is a true highlight for visitors. It offers interactive cheese-making demonstrations where guests can learn about the traditional techniques and even participate in the process. From milking the cows to crafting the cheese and tasting the final products, it is an immersive and educational experience. Aside from cheese production, the farm also provides a range of activities for visitors. You can take a leisurely stroll through the lush green fields, interact with the farm animals, and embrace the peaceful countryside ambiance. During certain times of the year, you may even witness the colorful spectacle of tulips blooming in the nearby fields. The Catharina Hoeve's farm shop is a must-visit, offering an array of delicious and locally made products. From various types of cheese to fresh dairy products, clogs or wooden shoes, souvenirs, and traditional Dutch treats, you can indulge in the flavors of the region and bring some goodies home. For those seeking an authentic and immersive experience in the eastern Netherlands, Catharina Hoeve is a delightful destination that captures the essence of Dutch countryside life and offers a memorable glimpse into the world of cheesemaking.
That's honey. Pure honey. Ano, bibili ka ng kwan? Cheese? Puro organic.